Hello, friends. I'm Zara from CV Guys, and today let's talk about the AI talent gap. Why mastering AI collaboration will be your competitive edge. Imagine walking into your office and realizing your new coworker isn't human. It's an AI. No coffee breaks, no office gossip, just pure efficiency. But here's the twist. This isn't science fiction. It's already happening. AI systems are becoming integral parts of our teams, and the question isn't whether they'll replace us, it's how we can work alongside them to thrive. So, are you ready to master the art of AI collaboration? The workplace is changing faster than ever, and AI is leading the charge. From automating repetitive tasks to analyzing data with precision, AI frees us to focus on what we do best: creativity, problem solving, and building relationships. Think about tools like Trello or Slack, where AI powered features streamline workflows and reduce human error. These systems don't just make work easier, they amplify our strengths. But here's the catch: thriving in this new era requires more than technical know how. It demands adaptability, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, the skills that machines can't replicate. For example, while AI might handle data analysis flawlessly, it still relies on us to interpret results and make ethical decisions. Collaboration isn't just about using AI, it's about knowing when to let it take the lead and when to step in. And let's not forget the bigger picture. By 2030, human AI collaboration could unlock $15.7 trillion in economic value globally. The future belongs to those who can bridge the gap between human ingenuity and machine efficiency. So here's your challenge. Don't fear AI, embrace it as your ally. Learn how to collaborate effectively with these systems, because mastering this skill isn't just a competitive edge, it's your ticket to thriving in tomorrow's workplace. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.